Earlier we covered replacing the battery pack. Now we're going to cover replacing the D-cell batteries. So we will remove the 4 screws as before. I have already loosened them up. Take off the end cap as before, being careful that you allow the weight of the end cap to be placed on the lanyard. Remove the desiccant bag, unscrew the black center screw right here, which shows you a picture of the batteries right here that you'll need in a moment. In this case, I already have all the batteries installed, but I will show you how to remove and replace them. You should obviously replace all the batteries at one time by the same type of battery. So let's remove the batteries at the edge, the ones that are facing upward and the ones that are facing downward. You can also see that there are spacers, black spacers, between the batteries, and we also supply you with a spare spacer in case you break it, and we also supply the little O-ring that goes on right here. So we'll put the batteries back using the diagram right here. Up and down, on the edge, up, down, up, and up. So we've all batteries replaced, and we will put on the battery holder once again. Put it in place. And we will use a new desiccant bag and close up just like before, making sure again not to catch the cable. Tighten the 4 bolts. Just enough to catch all 4 in the beginning. And then take a quick look to see if everything is okay. And it is. Continue to screw down the bolts as before, and again you can use the paper test to make sure that nothing is protruding or causing any interference with the O-ring. Now, if you should not have a torque wrench, what you can do is tighten the screw until the spring washer is flat, and then go 1/4 of 1 turn. That's an alternative way if you don't have a torque wrench.